Hi everyone, it's Paul here from Shelley Heritage Foundation Life Skills Centre. I just have another quick tips and tricks video for you when working in Windows 10. This time we're going to cover a few of the most useful keyboard shortcuts which will enable us to navigate Windows quickly and efficiently. So the first one, you're probably all aware of this, down in the bottom left hand corner of your keyboard there's a Windows logo. When we press that key, we get a pop-up of the start menu for our computer, and then from the start menu we can see all of the programs and applications which are installed on our machine, some of which are represented here as tiles for quick and easy access. You can add access to a given application to the tiles section of the start menu by just right-clicking the icon on the left-hand side here and then clicking Pin to Start. That will then appear as a tile in your start menu. So it's quite useful. Things that you're accessing frequently, you can easily have stored there to pop up straight away. So that's the Windows icon itself, pops up the start menu. Very useful. The next one I wanted to show you, we need to open up a few things here just for this to work. So we're working away, we've opened up a few windows, we've got a document open in Word, the internet's open, let's open that up again, the internet's open, and we're looking to quickly get back to our desktop. So again, we press the Windows logo and D, so Windows logo and D will take us back to the desktop, clear the desktop so we can get a fresh perspective on what we're doing. It's a nice quick and easy shortcut